Hi friends, good morning. This is your chef Prakash. Hope you all doing good. And today I am going to discuss about the health benefits of mint and lemon drink. This is a very common thing which we are regularly using in our diet plan, but some of them will avoid the mint leaves, some of them will like it also. So there is some good remedies if you take mint with lemon. Let me explain clearly about it. First, mint is very good for your brain function and it is very good for your digestion symptoms. And if you have any problem in your stomach also, if you intake of mint and lemon juice will helps you to recover soon. This is the one of the good remedy for the stomach based diseases. And one more thing, it is good for relieve the breastfeeding pain also for the women after the pregnancy, those who are feeding the milk to the kids. If you intake that time, it is very good for relieving the breastfeeding pain also. It's good for your eyes and remove the bad breath also. These are the things available in the mint. Now I will explain mint with lemon. If you take the mint with lemon juice daily, if it is at morning or afternoon or evening, it is rich in nutrients and it have a good calorie and remove the bad cells from your body, and it is good for your hair growth. And in Indian cuisine we are normally using this mint for the aroma, but when you see if someone is having the food, if they see the mint leaves or coriander leaves, we'll just pick and keep it separate and we'll eat the food. Don't do that. You have to take all the leaves. That is very good for, especially for your eyes and your hair growth, and it is good for your digestion also. So if you take daily mint leaves with lemon, will increase your immune system also, and it is a one kind of energetic drink also. If someone have the blood pressure, early morning in the empty stomach, if you take the lemon juice with mint, it helps to keep your blood pressure in the normal. So please try this, and if you have any suggestion, please comment me in the comment box. I will reply for that. This video is especially only for the pregnancy women. For the breastfeeding pain will be release when you take the mint juice regularly. Mint is very good for the pregnant ladies. And next one is, it is very good for the high blood pressure patient, but it should be taken regularly. Instead of coffee or tea, you have to take that lemon juice with mint at early morning in the empty stomach will keep your blood pressure in control. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it should be very useful to you all. Please like, comment and share, and keep supporting our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.